Ever notice how a small desk item can change your whole day? A phone stand seems simple, yet it can save your neck, free your hands, and keep your desk calm. I learned this while working long hours from home. A solid phone stand keeps video calls steady and recipes visible while cooking. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Cyclone Phone Stand. This stand feels built for people who like a taller setup. I noticed right away how helpful it is during long video calls. The height keeps the screen closer to eye level. That helps reduce neck strain, which matters if you work at a desk all day in the United States. It folds down easily, so it works well for small apartments or shared workspaces. The base feels steady on wood and glass desks. It also holds larger phones and tablets without tipping. I like that it works with thick cases, since many people use protective cases daily. Charging while using the stand feels natural and not cramped. This stand is not the lightest option. It is better for desks than travel. Still, for home offices or study desks, it feels reliable and calm to use. Adjustable height support. Wide device compatibility. Stable weighted base. Number 4. Lamicall Cell Phone Stand. This stand stands out for its balance between price and comfort. It is light, foldable, and easy to move. I can imagine using it in an office, dorm room, or kitchen counter. The height adjustment helps reduce constant looking down at the screen. That matters for posture over time. It folds flat, which makes it good for backpacks or briefcases. Many United States users work hybrid jobs, and this fits that lifestyle well. The hinge feels smooth and controlled. It does not wobble during typing or video calls. It works best for phones and smaller tablets. Larger tablets may feel less secure. Still, for daily phone use, it does the job well without costing much. Portable foldable design. Comfort-focused viewing angle. Strong grip padding. Number 3. Nulaxy Dual Folding Phone Stand. This stand feels solid the moment you touch it. The aluminum body adds weight and stability. Stays put even during heavy screen taps. I like how it folds in 2 places, making angle changes easy. It works well for reading, watching videos, or following recipes. The hinge stays firm after adjustments. Many people in the United States use phones for streaming, and this stand supports that habit well. It does not offer height extension, so it sits lower than some others. If eye-level viewing matters most, this may not be ideal. Still, for durability and smooth folding, it performs well. Full aluminum build. Dual hinge flexibility. Non-slip base support. Number 2. Leeson Cell Phone Stand. This stand is designed with posture in mind. The taller frame helps bring the screen closer to eye level. That reduces strain during long calls or recording sessions. Feels ideal for content creators or remote workers. The angle range is wide, making it easy to find a comfortable view. It supports thicker cases, including rugged styles many people use daily. The base feels secure on desks and kitchen counters. Takes up more space than compact stands. That may not suit minimal desks. Still, if comfort matters more than size, this stand delivers strong value. Extended height adjustment. Wide angle movement. Case-friendly grip. Number 1. Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. This stand earns the top spot for its balance of stability, price, and daily comfort. Feels simple but well made. The metal body adds confidence without adding bulk. The viewing angle adjusts smoothly and stays in place. It works well for calls, streaming, and reading. Charging while using the stand feels natural. The anti-slip base keeps it steady on most desk surfaces. For United States users working from home or studying, this stand fits many daily routines. It does not extend in height like premium models. Still, for most desks, the angle adjustment is enough. It feels reliable and easy to trust for daily use. Smooth angle rotation. Strong metal structure. Secure anti-slip base. Final verdict. The best overall choice is the Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. It offers the right mix of comfort, stability, and value for everyday use. It fits most desks and routines with ease. For users who want extra height and better posture support, the Leeson cell phone stand is a strong second option. It works well for long calls and recording needs. Check the description links for current prices and full details. Choosing the right stand can make daily phone use feel easier and more comfortable.